What's going on, guys? We're back with Codecademy, and we are doing the JavaScript course, the free course, and we have reached quiz time. So let's see how good we're doing here. Console.log hi.length. What is the outcome of this statement? Hi is printed to the console for sure, and dot length, hi dot length. I don't know. I think it's just hi because this is left out, but I don't know what happens to that if that's left out. I'm gonna put hi. Nope. The length property of the string, not the string itself, will be printed to the console. So just the length? Oh, I get it. So the length of the string. So it's just gonna be 1. Wait a second, it doesn't let me know if that's the correct answer. I think it's just 1. Oh no, is it the length of the words or the length of the thing? Because it could be 3. Alright, we don't know the answer. Hopefully it tells us at the end. What is the outcome of the following code snippet? It should just be hello world. Console.log hello world. It's printed to the console with single quotation marks. I think it's just this one. Correct. Nice. What is the correct way to call the random method on the math global object? I think it's this one, math.random. Heck yeah. What is the correct way to declare a new variable that you can change? So it's not going to be const. It's going to be... It's not going to be const. It's not going to be my name. It's going to be let my name. This one. What is the correct way to call a string's built-in method? To call a string's built-in method. I don't know the answer to this. To call a string's built-in method. To uppercase Codecademy. I think it's Codecademy dot. I think it's this one. Yes! Okay. We had that one in the last lesson. What are variables used for in JavaScript? For storing or holding data. What is string interpolation? Joining multiple strings together using operators. Changing the value of a variable using template literals to embed variables into strings. What is string concatenation? When you change variables in value, when you assign a string to a variable, when you print a string to the console, when you join strings together. I think it's this one. Yes. Alright, what will the following code print to the console? It will print let number equal 10, num times 3, so it should print 30. I think I'm getting the hang of this, guys. Which of the following is an example of a single line comment? A single line comment. This right here. Which of the following code snippets would cause an error? Okay, const food 1, const food 2, const food equals chicken, food equals sushi. Let food equal chicken, food equals sushi, let food equal chicken, let drink equal seltzer. These are good. This is good. This one. Yes! Alright, guys, I think we only got one wrong. Yeah, we got one wrong. We scored a 90. You guys, if you guys take this quiz, let me know in the comments what you guys got, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for hanging out. Bye!